Alrighty guys, welcome to the vlog this weekend. Didn't really know what we had planned this weekend for vlog material. Tried to get out riding a few times and just didn't end up doing it. So today I think it's a beautiful day. We actually have Connor's graduation party later today. But I think for right now we're gonna just tune up this little, we got a turn here and then the table that is over here. It's like, I don't know, probably like 10-15 feet, nothing big, but fun to mess around on, and might get out the pit bike after and see if we can tear it up on the pit bike. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so we got the berms all watered, straight back to dust. We came back to it later in the day and ripping the hog. Got the 150F, absolute unit.
This is the hot salsa.
Oh yeah, hot salsa. She rips. Pretty much nothing can stop her. Let's get to it. No. They don't know me until the pit bike man comes in town. Yep.
Hit the jump, yo!
Let me try one more time. Ride Mama's bike.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't think that was terrible. Too busy ripping. Drive by. Kind of broke it a little bit.
Really?
Bum bum bum. Probably too close, huh?
Yeah.
This is called an onboard live action moving GoPro. It's really handy. They're really light too. You just toss them on the back of your bike, you know, and then you cruise pretty much and get super good video quality. Could not complain. I'm sure it's absolutely windy as a mug right now in that camera. These are just super convenient when you're going on like long gravel rides, and yeah, really don't take up much space. Highly recommend you get one.
Just so you know, your arm is gonna get very tired.
I don't know why the GoPro's talking, but
That's beautiful. I love the helmet choice today.
thank you. Yeah, highly recommend for pit bike maneuvers. you know, gotta stay protected. It was pretty hot today, so gotta keep the air flowing.
We're zooming.
And there we got her. Are you recording?
Yeah.
So that's gonna do her for today. Got a little trail building done. Got some good practice for Jacots Ranch coming up. It's gonna be a tough enduro. Probably could do it on this hog, but you know, gonna have to go with the Husky this time. And yeah, pretty much just ripped the pitter today. Beautiful weather, honestly. Couldn't ask for better. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and you know what I want? Comment down below what kind of bike you ride, and let's just see what we got in the comment section. So thanks for watching, and yeah, we'll see you next week at Jacots. It should be exciting.
See you Saturday.